Big twist in Rohit Vemula's suicide case probe after Telangana police filed a closure report saying that Rohit Vemula claimed to be a Dalit but was not. Protests have broken out in Hyderabad. Rohit's family met Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy earlier today. Vemula's family met the CM and made a request for a re-investigation into the case. Chief Minister Reddy has assured them a fair probe. Following this, the Telangana DGP has said that it has been decided to conduct further investigation into the case. A petition will be filed in the court concerned, requesting the magistrate to permit further investigation into the case. Telangana police, in fact, filed a closure report concluding its probe, suggesting that Vemula's suicide was driven by the fear of his true caste identity being disclosed, as he identified himself as belonging to the scheduled caste category. Meanwhile, the BJP has targeted the Congress, accusing Rahul Gandhi of attempting to incite ethnic violence by claiming that Vemula killed himself because he was a Dalit.
We are joined by Rohit Vemula's mother. Madam, అసలు క్లోజర్ రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చినాక మీ అభిప్రాయం ఏంది దీని మీద?
క్లోజర్ రిపోర్ట్ వచ్చినాక మమ్మల్ని చాలా అన్యాయం చేశారనేసి నేను బాగా ఏడ్చాను. నా ఉసురు తప్పకుండా బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు తగలాలని నేర్చుకున్నా. నేను తప్పకుండా తగులదు కూడా. నా పిల్లోడిని చంపి ఈరోజు చచ్చిపోయిన పిల్లోడిని క్యాస్ట్ అది కాదు ఇది కదా అంటమేంటి? అసలు ఆ పిల్లోడు ఎందుకు చనిపోయారని నేను కేసు పెడితే నా పిల్లోడు చనిపోయిన పిల్లోడిని క్యాస్ట్ కదా అంటమేంటి? అసలుకి నేను దళితురాలని కాదా? నాకు పుట్టిన కొడుకు దళితుడు కాదా?
మీరు సీఎం గారితో కలిసినారు, సీఎం ఏం చెప్పారు మీకు?
హామీ ఇచ్చారు, నాకు ఫెయిర్ గా ఎంక్వైరీ చేయించుతానమ్మా అనేసి హామీ ఇచ్చారు. మేము 2018లో జరిగిన ఎంక్వైరీని వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు క్లోజ్ చేసుకున్నారండి. దాన్ని బట్టి అని చెబితే మళ్ళీ ఎంక్వైరీ చేయించుదాం, ఫెయిర్ గా చేయించుదాం అన్నారు. ఆ ఫెయిర్ గా చేయించడం మాకు కావాలండి అని చెప్పి వచ్చాము మేము.
The Congress party, since starting of Rohit Vemula's movement, they are with us. And they are the only one who are helping us. And I don't think Rahul Gandhi should say sorry to the nation. The BJP should say sorry to the nation. See, if the police has filed a report, since yesterday, the BJP has in all the news channels saying that blaming Rahul Gandhi and Congress party only. Why didn't they ask the police how could you say that you not belong to SC? That is not the police work. That should come from the competent authority. The police work is to investigate how he committed suicide. That was their job.
No, the details are as per the notice only that we would be, there are some doubts expressed. So we will request the court to give us permission to have a relook. And based on the results which come out, action will be taken accordingly.
Sir, there are reports that the investigation officer went and gave the report to the court without telling the higher-ups. Is it true, sir?
That we'll find out now.
Okay. And just on some clarity on the dates, sir, when was this investigation over, sir? Is it during the Congress tenure or the previous BRS tenure, sir? Sir?
Hello, 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me now.
So, the investigation was over in March is what it was said. So, the report was filed in March 2024 now. When was the investigation over, sir?
Investigation was over long back.
Okay, in the previous government itself.
Yes.
The students of the University of Hyderabad have already gathered here and looks like they have a lot to say. Sir, right now a lot of you have arrived here right outside the University of Hyderabad. What are your demands?
Yesterday evening, we got to know through the court that a closure report has been filed by the Telangana police with the case that was filed by the affected students who were suspended along with Rohit as amendment of suicide and SC/ST Atrocity Prevention Act against the then Vice Chancellor Appa Rao, Smriti Irani, Bandaru Dattatreya, Ramchandra Rao and Sushil Kumar. What has happened is that the Telangana police, instead of investigating into amendment of suicide and the prevention of SC/ST Atrocity Act, has gone in depth to assassinate the character of Rohit, his mother and Ambedkarite students in University of Hyderabad.
जुड़े हैं सर, आप एक्यूज 3 थे रोहित वेमुला के केस में जो बहुत ज्यादा सुर्खियां पकड़ा था 2016 में. आपको एक्यूज 3 इस केस में बनाया गया था. आज क्लोजर पिटीशन में पुलिस ने ये बताया है कि उनकी आत्महत्या की वजह उनका कास्ट गलत बताना उनकी वजह थी और दूसरा कोई वजह इसमें नजर नहीं आई है। इस पर क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं उनके जाति के मामले में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ। मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये सारा जो हादसा हुआ है, एक ब्राइट स्टूडेंट अपनी खुदकुशी की है और वो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। ये बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है और हमारी जो सारी सहानुभूति है उनके परिवार के साथ, उनके साथ है। दूसरी बात ये रही कि इसको जो है बहुत ज़्यादा उछाला गया है, जो सच्चाई से दूर जाकर इसको राजनीतिकरण किया गया था इस मुद्दे को, और उस पर जाकर हम जैसे लोगों को उसमें एक अभियुक्त बनाया गया ताकि हमारी कोई भूमिका नहीं है, हमारा उससे कोई संबंध नहीं है। लेकिन जब एक विद्यार्थी खुदकुशी कर लेता है किसी भी कारण हो, हम उसके साथ हमारी सहानुभूति रहती है।
The report was been filed in the month of March and it comes out all of a sudden just before elections. And the entire BJP will spontaneously react within 5 to 10 minutes of the report coming out. This entire episode is pre-planned and intentionally BJP is trying to politicize this entire issue. And the Radhika Vemula ji and Raja Vemula ji, immediately after this issue coming out, me along with our SC Corporation Chairman, we have spoken to our Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy ji, and he also met the family, and we have assured that immediately he has looked into the issue, and he has assured the entire family and the student community who are during this moment that reinvestigation will be done, and what were the facts, everything will be bringing out.
वो दलित थे या नहीं थे ये कोई इशू नहीं था। इशू ये था हमारे लिए कि एक देश का युवा आत्महत्या करने को क्यों मजबूर हो रहा है, ऐसी कौन सी परिस्थितियां बन गई। एक केंद्र सरकार की तरह हम संवेदनशील थे उस वक्त भी और आज भी हैं, लेकिन तो सवाल उन लोगों पे उठना चाहिए कि इसी रोहित वेमुला के चक्कर में 1.5 महीने पार्लियामेंट नहीं चलने दिया गया था। कहा गया था कि दलित विरोधी है नरेंद्र मोदी, आदिवासी विरोधी है नरेंद्र मोदी। यही राहुल गांधी थे, ये फर्जी झूठे राहुल गांधी उस वक्त नाटक कर रहे थे। आज उन्हीं की सरकार है ना, कांग्रेस की सरकार है। गलती से ये रिपोर्ट फाइल हो गई है, चीफ मिनिस्टर के पास नहीं गई होगी, नहीं तो ये रिपोर्ट फाइल नहीं करने देते। अब हो सकता है कल रिव्यू के बहाने मंगवा लें ये रिपोर्ट।